Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is Microsoft stock price prediction. We have created this web application using Streamlit, which predicts the Microsoft stock price. So there are some parameters which takes the input from the users and use this value to predict the closing value. So we will enter some values in this. So for open we will enter 800, for high we will enter the value 1000, and for low we will enter 200. Now we will click on this button and we see the stock price is 251.89. Now you can also see the source files by clicking on this files button, and you see app.py file and Microsoft stock price pickle file. This pickle file is used to make this model, and you can also access the source code by clicking on app.py file, and you can see all the source code which is used to create this UI. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you, so we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.